Hello grade 6. Today our lesson is called Ratio Tables. It is found on page 119 and 120 in your Jump Math book. Our learning targets for today are: I can create a ratio table for growing patterns. I can use ratio tables to identify rules for number patterns. Let's say that your younger brother or sister has built this tower out of blocks. When they use one triangle, they have used a total of 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now they would like to build a second castle. How many triangles will they need? Well, to build one castle, they needed 1 triangle. So to build 2 castles, they would need 2 triangles. We would expect that the ratio of triangles to total blocks will stay the same. So we know they will need 8 blocks in total to build 2 castles. So you can see here that a ratio table is used to show this information. We can continue on. If they wanted to build 3 castles, they would need 3 triangles. We can see that this is going up by 1. And we can see here this pattern is going up by 4. So skip counting by 4. 4, 8, and 12. So 3 castles would require 12 blocks in total. So a ratio table is simply a way to show several equivalent ratios. All right, let's get started on page 119 in your Jump Math book. Question 1 says, the column was made by skip counting by a number. Complete the column. So in question 1, we're not worried about a ratio. We're just practicing our skip counting. So let's try a couple together. A, we can see that they are skip counting by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16. B, 5, 10, 15, 20. Please try remaining 4 by yourself. Question 2 says, use skip counting or multiplication to complete a ratio table for the ratio. Let's try 2 of these together. I will do one with skip counting and another with multiplication. So, part B, let's try this one with skip counting. We can see that the first column is simply increasing by 1. So skip counting by 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can see the second column is skip counting by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. Now let's try part D, and this time we will use the multiplication strategy. So we can see we have a ratio of 1 to 7. First of all, ask yourself, what do you need to do to this one to get 7? Particularly using the operation of multiplication. So 1 times 7 equals 7. So we can assume that the second number will be a 2. And if we multiply by 7, we get 14. Now we can see that this column is simply increasing by 1. If we multiply 3 by 7, we get 21, and then 4 times 7 is 28. So if you were to use the skip counting strategy, you would get the same numbers. So the first column is simply skip counting by 1s, and the second column skip counts by 7s. 7, 14, 21, 28. Please try the rest of question 2 by yourself. Question 3 says, find the missing number or numbers in the ratio table. 3A has a ratio of 2 to 7. You can solve these questions by either skip counting or with multiplication. In A, we can see that the first column is increasing by 2. 2, 4, 6. The second column is going up by 7s. 7, 14, 21. Please try B, C, and the bonus on your own. You may cross out question 4. Question 5 says, circle the tables that are ratio tables. So you are looking to see if each column follows a skip counting rule or if each set of rows forms an equivalent ratio. You can also check that using the multiplication rule. In the first example, we can see that we are skip counting by sevens. 7, 14, 21, 28. Then we have 3, 6, 9, 12. Those both skip count and have formed equivalent ratios. This is a ratio table, so I will circle it. Please try the other 3 on your own. I will read question 6 and then I would like you to try it on your own. It says, Dory makes punch. She needs 5 cups of ginger ale for every 3 cups of cranberry juice. Use the ratio table to find out how many cups of ginger ale she needs for 9 cups of cranberry juice. Finally, please try the bonus question. In question 6, how many cups each of ginger ale and cranberry juice does Dory need to make 40 cups of punch? Use the ratio table to find out. So here you can see they have added an additional column, cups in total. So if she added 5 cups of ginger ale and 3 cups of cranberry juice, she will have 8 cups of punch. So we know if she uses 10 cups of ginger ale and 6 cups, so we're counting by 5s and counting by 3s, she will have 16 cups in total. Remember, the question says, how many cups each of ginger ale and cranberry juice does Dory need to make 40 cups of punch? So we're looking for the number 40 in this total column, and then looking to see how many cups of ginger ale and how many cups of cranberry juice. That is the lesson for the day. Have a wonderful day.